Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to edit shop title in Etsy. So adding or editing a shop title are similar steps, so let's go straight into it. Now to add or edit your shop title, you need to understand what your shop title is. So your shop title is a brief bit of a text that you can use to describe your shop and is one aspect of your shop that you can use to influence the SEO, or what we call search engine optimization. So when you enter a new shop title or edit an existing one, which is very important to know, you will be able to preview how it will look in Google search results. You can learn more about SEOs, you can optimize the name, so it could be very much good because basically SEO, when we talk about SEO, let me just click on, for example, Google. Let's write anything, for example, Etsy. So basically, SEO is this. Whenever you write something in Google and you try to search for something, the better your website SEO, the higher rank you will be in the first pages of Google. So this is what it's all about. Now, how can we edit our basically title? Simply follow these few steps. On Etsy, go ahead to your shop manager. Then select the pencil icon next to your shop name and the search channel. Then right below your shop name, select add a shop title. Describe your shop in a one sentence or choose edit if you have already got a title. So in our case, we're simply going to go with edit since we already have a title, so we can edit it. Now, if your shop isn't open yet, you won't be able to edit your shop title, so put that in consideration. Beside that, the shop title can be up to 55 character long. They appear right under your shop name and on your shop homepage, and many sellers make it simple, like tagline or slogan or simply what they are selling. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.